Tellor, TRB, is like a data gateway for the Ethereum ecosystem, acting as a decentralized oracle network that securely delivers off-chain information to smart contracts. Simply put, it's the bridge that lets smart contracts see the outside world. Normally, blockchains can't know the weather, exchange rates, or sports scores on their own. Tellor connects applications that need this data with data providers, creating an economy powered by the TRB token. The way it works is pretty clever. When an application requests data, it attaches a TRB reward to the request. Reporters, who have staked TRB, compete to bring in that data. If they submit incorrect information, their staked TRB is slashed. If they provide accurate data, they receive a reward. This creates a built-in incentive for honesty and ensures reliable, fast information delivery, almost like a natural filter for trustworthy data on-chain. One of Tellor's most impressive aspects is its complete decentralization. In 2020, the team sent the admin keys to a zero address, handing full control over to the community. That means no single entity can ever pull the plug on the system. In the blockchain world, that's a rare commitment. Its flexibility is also noteworthy. Tellor can deliver not only price data, but also custom formatted data to fit a developer's needs. And it works across multiple networks, including Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism, greatly expanding its reach. In my view, Tellor builds a rock-solid bridge between the real world and the blockchain, whether for DeFi projects or gaming applications. It rewards participants while giving users the confidence that the information is accurate and censorship-resistant. TRB isn't just a token, it's a strategic tool that acts like the eyes and ears of on-chain applications.